In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change suggested reels on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, navigate to profile page, click on three bars, once you are in settings and activity page, scroll down. You're going to find the option of content preferences, click on that. Now inside this, you're going to find different option, click on your algorithm. Here you can customize your Instagram algorithm and control the type of reels and posts you want to see more or less of. If you want to see more content from a certain category, tap on the plus icon next to that topic or use the add option to manually type in the interest you enjoy watching. You can also choose topics or videos types that you don't want to see, helping Instagram improve your recommendations. In addition, tap on three horizontal dots at the top of the page to access more content preference settings. If you want a complete fresh start, head back. Now you can click on the option Reset Suggested Content. Click on Next. Instagram will then ask for confirmation before resetting your recommended post and reels. Just confirm it. After that, Instagram will begin rebuilding your recommendations based on the new content you interact with. That's how you can change and reset your suggested reels and Instagram algorithm. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.